Hello, it's Mary Jane here, and today I'm planting these lovely lilies. For a planting location, they like sun. Lilies really do like to be planted somewhere where the leaves can get some sun. That said, it's always good to keep the roots cool, so some mulch, some other plantings around them will help shade them, so that is nice. Also, some afternoon shade can help the flowers keep their color a little bit longer. If the spot that you've got is a little bit shady, they'll probably be totally fine. They just might not flower as much in partial shade as they do in that full sun. I like this planting spot here by the fence because I'm hoping that the fence acts as kind of like a windbreak, because some of the lilies do get quite tall. These ones are supposed to be tiny, so I have a whole assortment of different tiny ones that I'm going to plant right in the front of the bed here. Lilies also do like soil that's moist but that drains well, so not somewhere that's constantly waterlogged. Another thing to consider if you're planting lilies is that they're very poisonous to cats. So I'm not lucky enough to have a cat, but if you do, that's something that you really need to consider. Planting lily flowers in your garden. You don't plant them usually in the early spring or the early fall if you can. This particular lily I'm planting right now is called Lily Looks Tiny Icon. This one is potted up in a plastic nursery planter with some potting soil, but they can also be sold as bulbs. Earlier in the spring, I've got a different video for that. I'll add a link here to my video about planting lilies from bulbs, but this is one that comes potted up as a nice little baby plant. Before you plant your lily, just look inside the plant pot and make sure that the soil is moist. So if it's dry, you want to water it before you try to get it out of the pot. Then we're going to go ahead and dig a hole. I like to dig a hole that's maybe twice as wide as the plant pot, but not any deeper than the potting soil is inside the planter. So basically we're looking for like a wide, shallow hole. Once you have the hole dug for the plant, then you can go ahead and slide the plant out of its plant pot. I like to check out the roots and see if there's any like really big roots to loosen up, but this one looks okay. I'm just going to go ahead and plant it straight as is. I'm going to put it in the center of the planting hole and then check that the level of the soil right around the stem, that potting soil, is at the same elevation as the ground around the hole there, so that I'm not going to bury the plant too deep or anything. The potting soil right around the plant is going to be level with the ground around it. Then we can gently backfill the planting hole just with the soil that came out of the hole when the hole was dug. Once the hole is filled in, we're going to give it a nice thorough watering. That'll make sure that the whole area is moist, but it'll also help the soil settle a little bit. Lilies are low maintenance in the garden, but for the first year or two, I really do like to keep them well watered. That'll help the roots get established, and that'll just make them stronger plants overall. So I do give them a little bit of extra care in the first year or two. Also think a thin layer of organic mulch just on the soil around the plant. That'll help keep that moisture in the soil, keep the roots a little bit cooler, and it can make the flower bed look more cohesive as well. The mulch does keep some of the weeds down, but when weeds inevitably start to appear, I'll just hand pull them out from around the plant. Spring can also be a great time to apply fertilizer. I'll include some links to some different options for lily fertilizer with this video. All in all, lilies are easy to grow, they're low maintenance, and there's a stunning number of different lilies to choose from. There's all sorts of different colors and sizes of flowers, different heights of plants, and some of the flowers even have stripes or freckles. They're absolutely beautiful. I'll add some links to some different kinds of lilies that I like. Stargazer lilies are very popular and for good reason, but there's lots of other kinds too, so I'll include some of those. So windy. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. You guys are so amazing and supportive and helpful. I'm learning so much from you. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for your helpful comments, and I'll see you in the next video.